The light bulb screws into your bathroom fan's lamp socket. The lamp socket attaches to the reflector and plugs into a receptacle on the vent fan housing. The socket can be accidentally cracked while changing the bulb, or melted if the wrong bulb is used. Replacing the lamp socket is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. I'll begin by removing the lens. The reflector is held to the fan with a single nut, and I'll go ahead and remove it. I'll pull the reflector away from the grill and unplug it from the fan. And at this point, the grill will simply fall away from the ceiling. With the reflector removed, now I can go ahead and remove the socket. The socket is held to the reflector with a couple of tabs. I'll use a pair of pliers to push the tabs in, and the socket will come away from the reflector. Now I can install the new socket. I'll thread the wire through the reflector, line up the tabs with the notches, and snap it into place. Now we can reassemble. I'll place the grill over the fan, plug in the new socket, place the reflector back into the grill, and secure the reflector and grill to the ceiling with the nut. And I'll finish up by replacing the lens. And that's how you can install a new lamp socket in your bathroom fan.